Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we will be continuing with our vowels and consonants in Siswati. In the previous lesson, we ended with the consonant PH, which makes the sound P. P. Lipoisa. We will be continuing from there. And now the consonant Q, which makes a similar sound to the consonant C, which is Ka. Ka. Licaca. Ca, ci, co, cu. Licaca. The consonant S, which makes the sound S. Sikolwa. Sa, se, si. Sikolwa. Tamatisi. Tamatisi. And now the consonant SH, which makes the sound sh. Sh. Lishumi. Lishumi. Sha, she, shi, sho, shu. Lishumi. Sivagashi. Sivagashi. The consonant SW, which makes the sound S. Luswane. Luswane. Swa, swe, swi, so, su. Luswane. Liswati. Liswati. And now the consonant T, which makes the sound D. D. Litafula. Da, de, di, do, du. Litafula. Libido. Libido. And now the consonant TF, which makes the sound T. Tintombi. Ntwa, ntwe, ntwi, ntfo. Tintombi. Tintongo. Tintongo. And now the consonant TH, which makes the sound T. T. Litayela. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Litayela. Litawula. Litawula. And now the consonant TJ, which makes the sound J. J. Jani. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Jani. Sija. Sija. And now the consonant TS, which makes the sound T. Umthanyelo. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Umthanyelo. Lithanga. Lithanga. And now the consonant V, which makes the sound V. Sivalo. Va, ve, vi, vo, vo. Sivalo. Sivagashi. Sivagashi. And now the consonant W, which makes the sound W. Liwashi. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Liwashi. Uyawa. Uyawa. And now the consonant Y, which makes the sound Y. Uyadla. Ya, ye, yi, yo, yu. Uyadla. Uyawa. Uyawa. And finally, the consonant Z, which makes the sound Z. Lizinyane. Za, ze, zi. Lizinyane. Lizambane. Lizambane. And there we have it. We made words using both the vowels and the consonants in Siswati. Now for a fun activity, I will give you 5 seconds to fill in the blanks with the correct vowels. And now, how many consonants are in this word? Inkukhu, inkukhu, lihashi, lihashi, ingwe, ingwe, shaka, shaka. Good job! Fill in the blanks with the correct vowels. Inja, babe, sikolwa, liphoyisa. How many consonants are in this word? Inkukhu, lihashi, ingwe, shaka. And that is all for today. Join our language learning community by subscribing to our channel. That way, you won't miss out on any future language lessons.